Hi, I'm Brooklyn Ann. I'm going to be doing another unboxing because you've got something from Suntup. But first, I have to show you a book that I didn't do an unboxing for. This is Red Dragon, and as you can see, the slipcase is really cool, all kimono style. And look, it's very shiny. The spine's cool. And the end papers are just gorgeous. And Thomas Harris has such a gorgeous signature. I'm very jealous. So it's important that you see that. Now for the box. Ooh, what is this? Oh my God! It's so cute! Is that right there? Ooh. The Silence of the Lambs bookmark. And really cool figure of a death's head moth. We were not expecting that. Thank you so much, Paul. Oh yeah. This is going to complement that kimono slipcase of Red Dragon so well. Another leather on the spine. That's really cool. And you can see the imprint of the death's head moth. That is amazing. These end papers. Then, let's see. Thomas Harris, number 339. I am so excited. The art in this is just fabulous. Now we will see how well this looks in its new home beside Red Dragon.